How to add clickable link in CapCut. So if you want to add a clickable link in CapCut, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your CapCut application. First, it's important to understand one key limitation. Videos exported from CapCut, like MP4 files, don't support clickable links inside the video itself. Unlike a website, videos are just visual and audio content. So you can't add buttons or hyperlinks that people can click on directly. But don't worry, there are still several effective ways to guide your viewers to your links. One of the easiest and most reliable methods is using the caption or description. When you upload your video, platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok all allow you to add a description. Simply paste your link on your description when posting your video. Most viewers already know to check the description, so this works really well. To make sure that people actually notice your link, you should add a call to action inside your video. Like in CapCut, you can just simply go with text overlay. Let's say something like click in bio or check the description. Place this text at the beginning of the video so that the viewers clearly know where to go. Another smart trick is using a QR code. You can just simply go with import and then you can go and import a media like your photos or your videos. Just simply click on it and then just add your QR code. After adding your QR code, people will scan it. Make sure to place it somewhere visible, usually near the end of your screen, like on the bottom left or on the bottom right or on the top left or right. This makes it super easy for viewers to access your link instantly. You can also boost visibility by pinning your link in the comments if your platform allows it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.